those facets, and that's why I kind of like it, and I've tried it out. But for me, I'm not really doing digital forensics or reverse engineering. Some of you might be doing it, and if that's your field, then by all means go ahead and use ParaTOS. Okay, now let's get back to Kali Linux, and I just want to talk about the downloads. Now, if you're installing Kali Linux in a virtualized environment, I'm just going to show you a little tip here that will save you a lot of time. Do not download the ISO file. Alright, many people I've seen make this mistake, and I've made an installation video of Kali Linux showing you how to install it using the ISO even on a virtual machine, and you can see it's just really hectic. So why would you want to go through that? What I would recommend is just download the VMware virtual machine or the VirtualBox virtual machine. Alright, as you can see, you have your VMware, your 64-bit and your 32-bit, and the same for VirtualBox. So for those of you who are telling me it doesn't work on 64 or on 32-bit, you can see here that indeed it is real and it is working. So once you download one of these, dependent on the virtualization software you're using. So for example, I've downloaded or I had the VMware version. I'll show you in a few seconds how easy it is to get it set up. So this virtual machine is already installed. You don't need to go through the installation of Kali. It's already installed. You just need to import it into your virtual machine, and that's it. And that's that.